Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and as you can see, this device is just at the very bottom of the list. So now keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can move to the system settings. Let's tap on it, and here we've got developer options. And as you can see, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can force the desktop mode, we can turn the option to don't keep activities at all, simulate color space, show view updates, change the animations. Here we've got also some options which are connected with the networking, so the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So all you have to do to turn on the option is to tap on the switcher on it. It will be activated, and of course tap on it again to turn it off. And if you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you want to disable developer options, just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, and you will have to restart your device. I don't want to do it, however, simply tap on restart and the developer options will disappear from this list. Of course, if you want to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.